So I've got a real short weekend this weekend. I had to do a little overtime at work. So I'm just going to try to get my floor painted. The tan, I want to do this in tan, almost the color it is right now. I've got it primed in this zinc chrome primer. I don't know that I needed to use that for sure. I think just self-etching primer would have been good enough, but it's aluminum. I wanted to get the best treatment on there as I could. So anyhow, I want to get that painted. The rails inside the box. These rails right here, I want them the same color tan, and try to get orange paint on the box. If I can get these parts done, and the very back panel, if I get those done, I can assemble the box. I don't want to sleep out here and stalk the fire all night. So I took that canopy and wrapped it in plastic and made a warming shack, basically. Just a canopy wrapped in plastic. It's a 10 by 10, so it's plenty of room in there to get my box in here and this floor. When I get these parts painted, I can roll them in there. I got a heater in there. It'll keep it warm, keep it up to 70 degrees or more, and that way it'll dry really good. I'll just leave it in there for the next few days, get it good and set. So that'll take care of my concern about the temperature. It's warm enough in here right now, but I don't think it's going to stay that way through the night. So that way I can control that heat. So anyhow, I'm going to get after this and come on along. Yeah, I forgot to turn the camera on when I was putting on the clear. I got it cleared. I put at least 3 heavy coats on. I put more on the top, the bed rails, just to make sure it had durability and some good shine to it. And now I'm just gonna let it sit in here and cure. Got it in there drying. Wanted to air the shop out, so I closed that all up. Some air blowing through here. So I painted the bed diamond plate this color here, so it'll blend from right here all the way across. Look nice. And I'll butt it up against this, have a nice clean fresh edge. I did put some texture on that diamond plate just to kind of protect the paint and give it a little traction if somebody gets up there and sweat. I will spray that on here too, all the way down. And I may even come up here just a little ways. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe the first rib or that second rib. And that'll protect if something slides. If somebody throws a suitcase or something in the back, it'll slide over and won't leave a mar. That way it's still a little bit usable. So anyhow, this is where I'm gonna leave it for now. Like I said, next weekend we'll get this all assembled and thrown on the back of the pickup. And I'll probably get fenders painted and tailgate painted next weekend as well. But I may not get those bolted on right away. We'll see. So anyhow, thanks for following along. Appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and catch up with you later. Bye.